What's up, guys? Resident Dog with you. Today I'm going to patch a couple holes in my Gheenoe with some fiberglass mat and some fiberglass patch, and then we're going to sand it and gel coat it. This is my first go run at messing with gel coat, so we'll see how it comes out. Let's do it. Alright, so we got the motor off. You can see it's pretty nasty back here and wore out. Got the old silicone here. Came off pretty easy. So what we're going to do is clear some of this out of here, sand that down, fill the holes with fiberglass, and re-gel coat the back. Alright, so I'm going to start with 150 grit, sand some of this down that I can, clean it up, get it ready for fiberglass. Alright, so we scraped off all the crud. We sanded it down to scuff it up. And now we're going to mix up some fiberglass resin, the ME, what is it, the ME Keep or the hardener. I got some fiberglass strands I'm going to mix in with the fiberglass and the resin. And we're going to pack these holes with fiberglass. Alright, so we've got the 2 holes patched. Now I'm going to take some fiberglass cloth, I'm going to trim it to cover the area where I patch those, get it ready to go. Nice little patch. It's going to cover the areas I just put in there. So I've tried my hand at gel coat up on the top. I know I wasn't going to sand any more of that. It was all going to be down here. This is hard and been sanded. So pretty impressed with the gel coat. It's going to be a whole lot lighter than the rest of the boat, but you know, I'll eventually do the entire boat. So now it's time to get this fiberglass patch, soak the fiberglass, and lay it out on here. Take our patch, and lay our patch right over where we want it to be. Smooth it out. Smooth out there. Strands out. I always do that. Get that off. Once that patch is on, your hands can be all covered, so I use my rubber gloves. Off. We'll use our bubble buster. Get it good, smoothed out. There's some of this extra resin off of this so I can use it again. Clean up some of the drips. All right. There's fiberglass patch. We'll let that cure. We'll sand that and gel coat it. All right, so this is the patch piece I put in there, and the gel coat that I did that came out pretty good. Just got to sand this down. Alright, so we got 4 ounces of gel coat in our cup. We got our resin, our hardener. And there, just get her mixed up and start slathering it on. Good mixed. Using a disposable brush, you can use a roller depending on your application. If you want it super smooth, use a roller. You want it super tacky, using those sponge rollers. So this is my transom. It's going to be covered up for most of the time, so I'm just going to brush it on. It should level out a little bit. Now I got myself. Nobody ever said fiberglass and gel coat work was clean. So we'll come back once it's kicked and put the final sanding on it. Alright, so here's the final product. Holes patched, gel coat applied and hardened. Probably put a light sand on it, but holes are patched. So there's a quick little video on patching fiberglass and gel coat. First time I've ever done it, and I didn't think it was that difficult. I'm sure there's some things I could do better and improve on. So if you've got any tips or comments to help me out, by all means, drop them down in the comment section. I did the patch to add a jack plate, which will be another video. You can check that out. Please hit the like and subscribe button, and thanks for watching.